Hi guys, and it's Acellusday226. So today I'm going to talk about asteroids, comets, and meteors. Well, you might have heard them before, but you don't know how to separate them. Probably when you look in the sky, probably at night, you might see some something shooting, but it might be an asteroid or a comet or a meteor. Is it one of them? I don't I don't know. It might be an asteroid or a comet or a meteor, but we can't tell what it is. But the only way to tell out about it is asking science. So we're talking about science today. Hmm. Let's try to find out. Asteroids. Let's talk about asteroids first. Well, we've seen asteroids before. Well, have you known the huge asteroid that crashed down on Earth? Yeah, it killed all the dinosaurs. I just don't hope it happens today. But don't worry, it won't happen. Because nowadays, there are just small meteors that go down. Meteorites that go down. When they're small, they're called meteors. And are a bit bigger, they're called meteorites. Mostly small ones come down, but the meteorites stay in, mm, and stay in those rock belts. The asteroid belt. They're mostly big rocks, but there's some small ones too. Lots of the small ones tried to go down on Earth, but they burn before they reach the Earth's atmosphere because they're going at incredible speed at millions of miles per hour. That's real fast. And there's a lot of fire, so it will burn out the meteor a bit fast. I don't really need to be afraid of it anymore. And we talked about asteroids. Now it's time for the comets. Have you have you heard of Halley's tail? Halley's tail is very famous in Japan. A long time ago, astronomy wasn't advanced back then, so people thought it was a sign that the world was ending. But then, now, scientists had investigated that tail, and now the people have no sign of fear. First, scientists thought that it may contain poison, but they are wrong. Comets have those is really small. It's like those tiny white dots zooming down. It's mostly smaller than asteroids than we see in the sky. If you look at the picture, see up close, which is from far away, which is bigger, the asteroid or the comet? It's probably the comet. And now finally, it's meteors. Well, when I talked about asteroids, I got mixed up. And actually, I've been talking about the meteors. I've talking about the asteroids, and the meteors are also mm, in the same place as the asteroid. It is in the asteroid belt too. It also sometimes is big. Lots of them are big, and not much are small. And some medium-sized ones try to go down Earth, but luckily they burned out before they reached the sky. Whew! Burned out before we reach the sky. That's also almost like reaching Earth. Man, asteroids and comets and meteors are also pretty scary, but we don't need to worry about them anymore. There's no problem. So today we talked about asteroids, comets, and meteors, and I think you know how to separate them now. Just remember just remember to separate them. If you don't remember it, you can watch all the way down to the video. I hope this video will be 5 minutes and 14 seconds. Well, my video for today is ended, but I will see you again in my next videos. I'll see you next time.